Hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here, and in today's episode I am going to take the Mini for a quick spin and hopefully going to meet up with a Snap-on dealer and replace some of the broken tools I've got. Let's go. So, replace the ratchets, the 3/4 and the 1/4 inch, a number of sockets including Allen keys, Torx sockets, screwdrivers. Got a new screwdriver here. I've had to order up this screwdriver and this screwdriver because they went missing, along with this pliers. The long nose are at my father-in-law's, so I need to go get them. And then I'll have a complete toolbox again. This socket is around somewhere, so don't panic about that. But yeah, this is such a great little bit of kit. My Blue Point trolley. I've got all my stuff in there, and it's really convenient when I need to do a job because everything is just pull the stuff out. I've got all my 3/4 stuff, my 1/4 inch this side, and it's just there to hand in the right order. And yeah, it's all good. So there's a short and sweet video today. Ideally just wanted to try out this camera really. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a quick bit of fun. Nice little bit of driving. Nice little roads to drive on as well. And I've also got a relatively tidy toolbox. So it's a win-win. So there'll be some more stuff coming soon on this Mini here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I will be back very shortly. And with some more content. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. If you have enjoyed this content, please like the video, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. That's it from me, and I'll see you guys soon.